Yo, what is going on YouTube? This video today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to go ahead and get all skins in Geometry Dash for free. You can get tons of icons for free using a working Geometry Dash code, so you can unlock every single icon, and it takes just about 5 minutes, guys. I spent a long time searching and also trying methods from other YouTube tutorials, and this one is by far the best. So make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do plan on making more Geometry Dash code videos and updates. So essentially, guys, like I said, this is going to get you a code that you can redeem in the vault, and it is going to unlock all icons for free. So what you're going to want to do is just use your mobile phone to get your code, and then you can redeem it on whatever platform you play on. So head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. So spell it exactly like this, guys. You can pause the video and copy it down. But Cold Coupons is a game code website. So let's just, hopefully the internet loads. There you go. They have pages. They probably have like multiple hundreds of pages. So you need to use the search bar. Basically, it's going to save you so much time from searching. And this is the Geometry Dash page. Now, they actually have a few different codes on here, and they have one for keys as well. But this is the one, guys. Geometry Dash unlock all icons. So this is literally going to get you every single icon or skin for free using a vault code. So this is a simple Geometry Dash code that you can redeem in the vault. I believe they're called Wrath codes. But yeah, it's going to unlock all icons. So you're going to see this page here, guys. You need to unlock your Geometry Dash code. This basically prevents people from taking the 200 plus coupons that are left. So what you're going to want to do is unlock your code by clicking this button and just following the instructions on this page here. Took me about 5 minutes when I did it, but you need to complete 2 of the 3 offers below to unlock your code. Essentially, these tasks are things like applications and free surveys and stuff like that, guys. They're really easy. They're completely free. They take about 5 minutes, but it's just quite important that you do read each one, because that basically tells you how to complete them. Like this one here, download and install this app and play a game. So yeah, very important you complete 2 of those, and if you do that, it will unlock your Geometry Dash code. You can redeem it in the vault, and that is going to unlock all icons for free. So that is how to get free skins or free icons in Geometry Dash working in 2026. Go to Cold Coupons. Let me know which code you chose, guys, or if you found this video helpful, make sure you like the video and also subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.